Okay. This is the instructional video for VGF's heart arch. Over here, you can see the parts that you will have in your kit. There are two lower arches that'll come up like this. You'll see these are the two parts that'll come down. Those two long pieces there are the braces. You've got a whole bunch of thumb screws. You just put these hand tight, and you've got a couple bolts. Again, you can just do hand tight. These don't have to be tight. You're not going to be crawling on this or putting your body weight on it. It just needs to not fall apart. This is the base piece. Worth noting here, there is a front and back. If these little feet here, this is the back. Those braces will come up here. They are the back side of this. You don't want them in the front. Okay. So now we'll just start putting together.
So these are the flowers, and they all have these self-Velcro adhesive points. And all you need to do is open one up, tie it tightly to the stand, fold it. That's it. And just do it for every single one. And we're going to put it all the way around the front of the stand. That's it.
When you get your parts, lay them out based on the numbers. See those purple stickers that are on here? Right on this one. This is one of the back supports. It says 33. Over here is a sticker that says 33. This will go on there. All of these parts are set up this way with stickers showing you just match up the numbers that they go. Here's 41. Back here is 41. Back here is 41. So this is going to match up to this 41. We'll put a bolt through there. You'll see me do it. But the point is, get your parts laid out, look at the stickers, see which ones are going to match to which, and then it's simply plug and play, put in screws, and you're done. Okay, all the flowers have been put on now. The best way to do this, it's easiest, is to lay it on its back. Remember, the supports are on the back. So lay it down on its back, and then you can zip tie all the flowers in. Once you've done that, you simply come pick it up. There you go. And then from here, if you have any loose straps, just tuck them in. For the last one, if you want to put this on, there's one of these that does not have any straps. This one can be put in front to hide the base if you want to do that.